Rip Barbie. Period I, period 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 period I, period
You clicked on this video because you seen that bomb ass dress, huh? You clicked on this video because you seen I was looking fit, right, tight, in all the right spots, period, huh? Yeah. Well, honestly, girl, this started off as a mistake. Okay? Like, no, seriously, it started off as a mistake. So, anyways, I had this piece of fabric that I got randomly. I don't even know where the hell it came from, but I was like, fuck it, it's cute. It could be a dress. So I kept it around, right? Boom, girl. I came up with the idea to make a dress, but that wasn't happening because I just did not have the design in my head and I just really couldn't figure it out and I couldn't find anybody to teach me how to do it. So I just decided to like make a standard sundress type of thing going on, right? So like, those videos is literally everywhere, girl. So anyways, I just followed, well, I'll show you who I followed and I'll put her down below, but I just followed that so following this pattern she had gave, she said fold it over and you're going to have your two pieces, right? Boom. So I folded it over. And then she said go ahead and get you a tank top that fits well and snug into the bug of the rug, period. So that's what I got. Okay, girl, tell me why I must have cut it on the wrong end. And to this day, I'm sitting here looking at it right now as I'm recording this audio and I still don't even see my mistake. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't, girl. Like, should I have done it closer towards the opened edge? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and look at that girl video because, girl, I ain't do it right. Anywho, so cutting this out and finding that mistake, it took me a while to figure out what could I do with this. Like, girl, I was tying this every single way and I didn't show them the clips because that was gonna make the video like a little too long or whatever. So I didn't do that, but I just went ahead and went with the most basic type of thing that I could do, and then on top of that I cut too deep. So like you see right here where I'm cutting the armpits out and I'm gonna go on the other side and I cut it way too deep. That's where you get the boob area and stuff like that popping out or whatever. So yeah, oh girl. While still making sure that I had enough of seam allowance and everything for this to stretch. And by the way, this is like a one-way stretch, I believe. I mean, it's basically four-way, but the other way doesn't stretch as well or whatever. So yeah, I make sure that the stretchy part was going across and not up and down or whatever. And then yeah, so I went ahead and cut it all the way down to the foot because that's how long I wanted it. I really wanted it to be like giving that effect of a sundress as best as I can describe it, right? And then I also wanted a bodycon type of dress, so I made sure to add that hip indentation or whatever. And yeah. So right here is where I'm cutting the, like, I guess we'd say the breast area, the V-cut area or whatever. And I cut it a little too deep, And then on top of that, I got confused. So that's why I ended up stop cutting because I got confused. And thank God I did stop cutting because if I didn't, girl, it would have been a full-blown scrap for real. So I was just like, I was over it, boo. Okay? And so after about an hour of panicking and figuring out what the I'm gonna do with this fabric, I finally decided to pin it on the side that it was open and make it a dress like that. And it came out super cute. So honestly, I just ended up working from this style on and just making sure that I ain't make no more mistakes, girl. Cause oh my goodness, it was gonna be so cute, but it turned out cute still, I guess. So I literally had one side I had to sew up, so that made it pretty easy and everything. And then on top of that, I wanted to add a little bit more design to this dress, so I decided to leave those little diamond holes on the side of the leg, giving it very much sexy. And that just gave the dress so much gross, so much oomph. I loved it. Had I just sewed it up on the other side all the way like I was planning to do, it wasn't gonna hit like that or whatever. So yeah, and then after I made those holes and went all the way down to the foot and everything, I got a close up of me hemming the dress, and this is that. I did do a double hem. What that means is this is just one single hem, and then that rolled part, I rolled it over one more time and then hemmed that again, so giving more of a professional kind of look towards the bottom of the dress, as well as the armholes and in the neckline as well is where I hemmed. I think by judging by how you hem, you can be able to tell what's inside and what's the outside or whatever. But this fabric was so thin that honestly I just really couldn't tell. But the only way I really could tell is that I knew that I wanted the holes on my left side because that's where my tattoo is, on my leg, and I really wanted to give sexy vibes, period. And this is her. She is super freaking cute. Where could you wear this dress to? Comment down below on where would you wear this dress to. I had plenty of ideas and everything. I could dress this up and I can dress it down, okay? And either way, baby, I'm gonna be in town, okay? Period. This dress is super freaking cute. I loved it. Very much late into the summer party, but whatever. Oh, also on the back I had to sew some straps in the back to kind of hold up the straps or whatever, basically because they were falling off the sides. Girl, it was a mess, but she came out super freaking cute, and I love this dress so much. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Mistakes are just lessons for greatness, okay? Period. Learn that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.